Today we are moving into our new house here in Hua Hin, Thailand. We also give you a house tour, and in the end of the video we show you what Thai people think is good to do before you're moving into a new house.
Hey, my name is Matilda and this is my boyfriend Dam. We are living in Hua Hin, Thailand together with Dam's family. And on this channel we share our simple daily life here in Hua Hin and travels around Thailand. And also sometimes abroad. So hit the subscribe button and join our adventures in Thailand.
Two of Dam's cousins just came with a lot of our stuff that we had stored in Dam's cousin's other house. So now we're just trying to sort out some old clothes and going through what we're gonna keep or not gonna keep anymore. So it's some days later and we have laundry. Everything you saw us sorting out in the other clip, we're gonna put in everything in this wardrobe, and I also have a lot of things that I had in Sweden. But first we're gonna show you around the house how it's looking like right now. And here is our bedroom. We have put like pillows and everything on here, and we have been sleeping here for some nights, and we also like put our all stuff here. So this is basically how far we come, and I don't know really what we're gonna do here, but I think behind us here we have put up things like this, but this one we're gonna color in, I don't know, some color, and then I don't know what we're gonna do more here, but yeah, we will figure out that later. So let's go see the rest of the house. So when we come up from our bedroom, it looks like this, and here is another bedroom, looks next to us, and this is gonna be Dam's parents' room. They have not moved in yet here, but it looks, yeah, just like another normal bedroom. And if we go here, we have the kitchen, which we don't use as a kitchen. Like we use, the neighbors here are Dam's families, the cousin, and the neighbor like after them is also Dam's cousins. So we don't use the kitchen, but here is how it looks right now. The previous owners have a lot of things like put up around here. I can show you maybe an old clip that I have that they have been taking down. So we don't use this kitchen right now, and I don't really know what we're gonna do. Also, there is like just an upper roof, there is no inner roof. And if you see a lot of the Thai house, some people don't have inner roof of the kitchen, they just have this one. So I don't know what we're gonna do. And if you turn around here, here before was water tanks, but I think we're gonna make this to like a small bedroom, right?
Yeah.
If people gonna come here and visit, they don't need to sleep out here. They can just have, you know, a bed so they can have a private place to sleep. And over here is the toilet. And this is how it looked when we bought the house. So it's, if you see here, it's a little bit broken on the floor. I don't know what we're gonna do about it. We're gonna fix everything or nothing. And here also the toilet. The flush doesn't work, so we have this traditional thing where you take the water here and put here to flush the toilet. I don't know what we're gonna do with the bathroom. For me, it's fine that it is right now. If I want to fix it, I want to fix everything, and we're not gonna do that right now. So let's continue here. So this is a little hall that you come here to the living room, and Dam just bought a new computer screen, and they have like a computer here because he likes to play games sometimes. And here is Dam's cousin that live neighbor with us. So So yeah, this is what we look right now. We don't have any furniture or anything yet, and I don't know when we're gonna buy it either. Later, sometime. That's no hurry. And here we come out to the outside area, and it looks like this. We haven't bought anything yet. This is Dam's cousins, the neighbor's table, and here we just put up the laundries, and we have little things here. We haven't like done anything here yet. And over here is the room that, if you look at the previous video, then you saw that we're building this room, and they have not done anything yet from the last video that you saw. And here I also don't know what we're gonna do. We don't have any like hurry to do anything, so we just do a little bit, yeah, when we feel like it. And if you see here is Dam's cousin and her boyfriend, and here is like our street and where we live. So this is how it looks right now, and I don't know, we don't have any hurry to do anything, so we're just gonna do things a little bit after we go. So I've been living in a suitcase for long enough now, so now it's time to try to fit all of my clothes inside this wardrobe. When we bought this wardrobe, we thought that okay, I'm gonna have this side, Dam can have this side, but then Dam's cousin came into the room after we have laundry everything of this and saw all the stuff I brought from Sweden, and she like, it's not gonna fit. And Dam just like, oh, you can take my side as well. This is very nice of him, but I will try to fit the things here, and if I don't fit, I will take his side as well, because he really doesn't care, and he will just have his shirt in a drawer. But let's try to put in things and see how much I can fit. We just got this from Dam's cousins, so maybe it's not enough, maybe I have to go buy more as well, but I will try to put in as much as my clothes as possible. So I'm realizing already now that I don't gonna fit anything, but I have a lot of things here that I know that I'm not gonna use right now, so I think those things I'm gonna put away in a bag and just put in things that I think I'm gonna use now. So I just ran out of hangers, but this is how far I came. I have pretty many stuff inside here now, but as you see, I have still many things that I have to put up. So I guess I have to go and buy more hangers, but that had to be another day because it's 3:30 and it's time for us to go to training. So we just come back from training, and Dam's aunt have been buying us some stuff so we can put up in the bathroom. So a mirror. This is so typical Thailand. Look, it's airplanes. At least it's not Hello Kitty or any teddy bears, but this, it's so funny because in Sweden we will never have this. We will only have this for kids, but here everybody likes things like this. And I think like this, so we can like put up our shampoo and stuff. Now we just have to figure out where in the bathroom we gotta put all of this stuff.
What's where?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe here. Oh no. Camera. We're gonna put something here or no?
No.
Only put upside.
Yeah.
Before we moved into our new house, we went and bought flowers, eggs, some sweet water and incense. The most people in Thailand are Buddhist, and many Thai people believe that giving these offerings to the Buddha will bring good luck to the house and to the people living in it.
If you like this video and want to see more videos from Thailand, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you in next week's video.